Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from the topic Maratha Empire. When did Nayak rule ended? In 1674. Where did Nayak rule ended? In Tanjavur. Who invaded Tanjavur and succeeded in establishing Maratha rule in the Tamil region? Maratha General Venkoji. Maratha rule in Tanjavur, which started from 1674, continued until the death of Serfoji II in 1832. The region of the Marathas consisted of a narrow strip of land called Konkan. Which type of warfare was the strength of Marathas? Guerrilla warfare. What was the capital of Shivaji? Raigad. Where did Shivaji born? In Shebner near Junar. Shivaji was the son of Shaji Bhonsle and Jijabai. From his mother's side, Shaji was a descendant of Yadava rulers of Devanagiri. From his father's side, Shaji was a descendant of Sisodias of Mewar. Who administered Shaji Bhonsle's Jagirs? Dadaji Kondadev. Shivaji earned the goodwill of the peasants and chiefs in Mavali near Pune, who was regarded by Shivaji as his religious guru, Ramdas. Shivaji began his military career at the age of 19. When did Shivaji capture the fortress of Tona from the Sultan of Bijapur? In 1646. Dadaji Kondade died in 1647. Shivaji's father Shaji had been humiliated and imprisoned by the Sultan of Bijapur, who was the Mughal viceroy of the Deccan at the Shaji's imprisonment. Prince Murad. The Sultan of Bijapur released Shaji in 1649. Shivaji refrained from his military activities from 1649 till 1655. In 1656, Shivaji restarted his military activities and captured Javli in the Satara district, which was the new fort built 2 miles west of Javli by Shivaji. Pratapgarh. When did Muhammad Adil Shah of Bijapur died? November 1656. Who succeeded Adil Shah of Bijapur? Adil Shah II. When did Afzal Khan attack Shivaji? 1659. When did Aurangzeb ascended the throne as the emperor? In July 1658. Who was appointed the governor of the Deccan in 1660 with the main purpose of crushing Shivaji? Shaista Khan. With how many soldiers Shivaji entered Pune at night in the form of a marriage party and attacked the home of Shaista Khan? 400 soldiers. Aurangzeb was forced to recall Shaista Khan from the Deccan in December 1663. When did Shivaji attack Surat, the major Mughal port in the Arabian Sea? In 1664. To defeat Shivaji, Aurangzeb dispatched an army under the command of the Rajput general Raja Jai Singh. The Treaty of Purandar signed between Shivaji and the Mughals. The Treaty of Purandar signed on 11 June 1665. According to the Treaty of Purandar, Shivaji agreed to serve as a Mansabdar and assist the Mughals in conquering Bijapur. Who persuaded Shivaji to visit the Mughal court? Jai Singh. Shivaji and his son Sambhaji reached Agra in May 1666. Who was the Rajput friendly towards? Shivaji. In 1674, Shivaji was crowned at Raigad. Shivaji assumed the title of Chhatrapati. Chhatrapati means metaphor for supreme king. Whom did Shivaji allow to carry on administering Tanjavur? His brother Venkoji. Who was the eldest son of Shivaji? Shambhaji. When did Shivaji died? In 1680 at the age of 53. Who was the successor of Shivaji? Sambhaji. Why did Aurangzeb aim to punish Sambhaji? For protecting his rebellious son Prince Akbar. When did the Mughal forces capture Shambhaji and killed him? In 1689. Who was the younger brother of Sambhaji? Rajaram. In the Tamil country, Rajaram renewed the fight for the fortresses of Senji. After the death of Rajaram in 1700, resistance continued under the leadership of his widow Tharabai, who was the son of Sambhaji. Sahuvan. When did Sahu ascended the throne? In 1708. Who was very supportive of Sahu and helped him to ascend the throne? Balaji Vishwanath. As a gesture of his gratitude, Sahu appointed Balaji Vishwanath as Peshwa in 1713. Tarabai carried on a parallel rival government with the capital, Kolhapur. Tarabai is the first wife of Rajaram, who was Rajaram's second wife, Rajabai. Rajabai and her son imprisoned Tarabai and her son in 1714, who was called as Sambhaji II, son of Rajabai. Sambhaji II ascended the throne of Kolhapur. After Sahu died in 1749, who ascended the throne? Ramaraja. When did Ramaraja died? In 1777. Who was the adopted son of Ramaraja? Sahu II. Sahu II ruled till his death in 1808. Who was the successor of Sahu II? Pratap Singh. Pratap Singh was disposed by the British government in 1839. Pratap Singh died as a prisoner in 1847. Who was the younger brother of Pratap Singh? Shaji Appa Sahib. Shaji Appa Sahib was made king by the British in 1839. When did Shaji II died without a successor? 1848. Shivaji's council of 8 ministers was known as Ashtapradhan. Prime Minister of Shivaji is called as Peshwa. Finance Minister of Shivaji is called as Amatya, who maintained the records of the king's activities and the proceedings in the court. Valkya Nabis or Mantri, who was the foreign secretary to advise king on all matters of wars and peace. Sumant or Dabir, who was the home secretary, was to look after the correspondence of the king with the power to revise the drafts. Sachiv or Shru Navis, who was responsible for civil and military justice. Nyadish or Chief Justice, who was in charge of recruitment, organization and discipline of the army. Sari Nabat or Commander-in-Chief. What is the name of the two taxes Shivaji collected? Chauth and Sardeshmukhi. Chauth was one-fourth of the revenue of the district conquered by Marathas. What was an additional 10% of the revenue collected by virtue of Shivaji's position? Sardeshmukhi. The smallest military unit with 9 soldiers was headed by Nayak or Corporal. Criminal cases were heard by Patels. Appeals in both civil and criminal processes were heard by the Nyadish, Chief Justice. When did Battle of Udgir happen? 1760. Who won the Battle of Udgir in 1760? Sadasivarao. Who was the final court of appeal? Hazir Mijilam. Who was the first powerful Peshwa? Balaji Vishwanath. Who was the most powerful naval chief on the western coast? Kanhoji Engre. After Balaji Vishwanath, who was appointed Peshwa in 1720? Bajirao. Battle of Dabai was fought between Bajirao and Trimbak Rao. Who won the Battle of Dabai? Bajirao. Who is the son of Bajirao? Balaji Bajirao. Who was the son-in-law of Nawab of Arcot? Chanda Sahib. When did Battle of Udgir happen? 1760. Who won the Battle of Udgir? Sadasivarao. When did Third Battle of Panipat happen? 1761. Who was the successor of Balaji Bajirao? Madhavrao. The first Anglo-Maratha war was fought between 1775 to 1782. At the end of first Anglo-Maratha war, which treaty was signed? Treaty of Salbai. The second Anglo-Maratha War was fought between 1803 to 1806. At the end of second Anglo-Maratha War, which treaty was signed? Treaty of Bassein. Raja Desingu was the governor of Senji. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. The next video will be explaining the family tree of Marathas. Please do watch the video. Thank you.